Hello everyone, this video is going to show you the new add-on function on DOT, the bidirectional communication function. Before we start, please make sure your VW DOT or WB DOT are the latest version of the product. The bidirectional communication function can only be accessed with the latest serial number shown above. The latest products provide you breakthrough function on DOT, bidirectional communication function, and encryption. With bidirectional communication function, you no longer need to adjust the interval time of your device in person when there are environmental changes. You can modify the files on DOT remotely, and the encryption setting enhances the information security when using DOT. If you would like to learn more about VW DOT and WB DOT, please refer to our other videos, VW DOT Unboxing, VW DOT 4 Unboxing, or WB DOT Unboxing. Take slope monitoring as an example. If you're measuring the geological condition of a slope, you'll need sensors like piezometer and load cell to measure, and data loggers such as VW DOT and WB DOT to receive the data. After collecting data, data loggers will send the data to the cloud. In normal condition, you would like the sampling rate of your data loggers to be low and steady. But when the forecast shows a storm will be coming in, you will need to increase the sampling rate promptly. And that's why bidirectional communication function matters. To use this function, please log in DOT, click Device Setting to enter the setting page of your VW DOT and WB DOT. Click Add and select interval hour and interval minute to set up the sampling rate. And here's a friendly reminder, please remember to save the changes before you close a tab. After the adjustment, the sampling rate will increase. When the storms come in, VW DOT and WB DOT can collect the real-time data instantly. When the value reaches the alert level, you'll send SMS messages and emails to you immediately. Now we have completed the introduction of bidirectional communication function for DOT series. If you would like to learn other functions on DOT, please refer to How to Use DOT and How to Use DOT 2. If you're interested in this product, please visit www.sanlian.com. For more information, please feel free to contact us at any time. Sanlian Technology, be the frontier of environmental monitoring.